Well, I mean, I would say the investment business. You're talking about Pabrai funds.
Yes.
Yeah, so I would say the investment business is a little bit different than a typical operating business. I mean, it does have uh, some elements of that, but it's on a simpler and smaller scale. I mean, you don't have large scale HR issues, large scale capex issues. Uh, you have some elements uh, of running business. I think that when I ran my IT services company, I probably learned a lot more about running businesses from that than I did from running Pabrai funds. I mean, I think Pabrai funds. Uh, I think what I'm proud of in terms of way it's run is how efficiently it's run. So I the entire workforce, excluding me, is part-time stay-at-home moms, and basically the world misprices and misjudges the talent capability of stay-at-home moms, and they're not uh, in a position or interested in taking up full-time careers. But to think that all of them can only lick stamps is ridiculous. But that's what the world does. Is that they think that all they can do is do a $10 an hour part-time job or something. And so what I found is that the stay-at-home moms, I have people in the office who had very high-flying careers in different areas, and now we are able to give them lots of challenging work, and they're pretty much running the operation um, on all facets of it, including SEC compliance and so on and so forth. And we do it on a payroll that would shock most people. I mean, I think that it's the Pabrai funds part of it probably runs at under $100,000 a year in payroll, excluding me, on assets of 700 million. So yeah, you can learn a few things on running a business from a fund, running a fund, but I think you can learn a little bit more if you have experience in an operating business, which is a little more size. But I think it all applies. I mean, I think that if you ran a lemonade stand when you were a teenager and had a paper route or any of those things, all of those things help and add up. But if you get a little more size and scale to what you're doing, then that's even more helpful. And yeah, definitely, it's very helpful to then understand how CEOs of large companies might be running the businesses, and what they keep front and center in front of them, and what's likely the important factors to focus on.